everyone, Scrapper Sam here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of the Scrapper Sam Show. We're going to kick this show off and hopefully we can find some big scrap today. We got plenty of room on the trailer, so let's see what we can find. Scrapper Sam. Well, if I had a choice, this is exactly the way I would arrange things. I would have the big scrap first, get that on the trailer, and backfill everything from there. And guess what? We have a washer and dryer pair. Looks like a pretty nice one too, but it's gonna be scrap. Let's get this on the trailer. I'll be back in just a minute. I was kind of concerned because earlier when I was out, I saw two other scrappers that were scooping up all the scrap. Now this is in an area that's not yet scheduled for scrap pickup or you know, heavy trash day. So the scrappers won't be over here yet. And this is practically in my backyard. I mean, this is only 2 streets over from where I live, so lucky to spot this. And lucky that it's white instead of black, because it's plenty hot the way it is. I don't hear any change rattling around in the back of this dryer. That doesn't mean there's no change in there. It just means that I don't hear any. Okay. The cords on these are missing. All right, that's a good start. We got it all loaded. We'll just have to be careful on those tight turns, right? All right, Scrapper Sam, let's make this happen today. Looks like we got some metal here. Used to be a bed, and this will be the center rail. Ouch, everything is so hot. Got some weight to it. All right. The camera didn't come on when I picked this bicycle up, but that was just a little while ago. I've got a remote for the camera now, but I haven't paired it yet, so it's not ready for prime time, but hopefully very soon it will be. All right, let's keep going. Doing good so far. We haven't even got to the dumpster diving yet, and already we're picking up some pretty massive scrap. Let's keep going. All right, so this is interesting. It is a gasoline powered bicycle. I'm going to ask my neighbor who works on bikes, mopeds and motorcycles if he's interested in this. I don't know if he would be, but he might. It's heavy enough. Wow, look at the size of that chain. What is this? Be safe. Wear a helmet. Well, it's nothing new. Nothing terribly old either. It's not like a antique item. Let me move this up here a little bit. Okay. Man, it is built a lot heavier than a regular bicycle, as in a lot heavier than a regular bicycle would be. Okay, we got some other scrap here to pick up. And it looks like a lamp or something over there too. Oh, and this, whatever it is, not sure, but it's coming with me. Folds up nicely too. Some artwork. Oh, and a TV. That's a older one too, nice and heavy. And that isn't a lamp over there. It's something painted silver. Vizio. Wow. Okay, all right, we'll strap that down some, make it a little more comfortable, and then we'll head on to the next one. If you've missed a episode or two, I've installed these new D-rings for doing my tie downs. They seem to work a lot better than just trying to hook into the sides of the trailer or on these angles or something like that. Definitely working better. All right, let's keep going. So I haven't really reached the scrap grounds yet. The scrap zone is still several minutes away. I'm just taking the scrapper's scenic route to the scrap zone. And I'm finding a lot of scrap along the way, so maybe the scenic route is going to yield enough scrap that I don't even have to go over to the real scrap zone. I found some more scrap here, so I'm going to have to get out and get it. A little bit of scrap here, and right now small scrap is good. Oh, this looks like Nope, it's stripped. Stripped Romex. Plastic. This will work. Man, I wish that hadn't already been stripped. I could use some wire like that. All right. Let's get this on the other side. Okay. This is nice wood, but none of it is thick enough for my, almost missed that. Oh no, that doesn't look good. I think it must be bad. They've got a sad face on it. Oh well. All right. I still haven't made it to the scrap zone yet, but I'm finding lots of scrap. Let's see. Oh yeah, this will fit here. You won't go anywhere, will you? Nah. That's heavy. All right. Okay, see what we got here. Small TV, yep. Another one of these. This one's small enough to fit in here. What do we need? We don't, we could put a grill there. We haven't had a grill today. That's a nice heavy duty chair. That's unfortunately broken, but that's a really nice chair. Heavy duty. Obviously not heavy duty enough though. All right, let's keep going. I'm not sure. This looks like a lift for a wheelchair or some handicap thing, right? And it's really super heavy. It's very heavy steel. So let me see. Is it possibly get it here? Wow, I had no idea these things were this heavy. I mean, I've seen them on cars and vans before, but you know, I'm gonna have to walk it up the ramp. So I was able to get it on the trailer. This thing is solid. The trailer still has more space on it, but weight-wise, I think we are really close to our limit. We'll take the scrappers scenic route back home. We're about 10 minutes away from the house, so we'll take the scenic route back home. That means going down these alleys and picking up small pieces of scrap to kind of fill things in and top things off. Anyway, I'll see you again if we find any more scrap. If not, I'll see you at the house. Just love the scenic route, don't you? These are all LED bulbs. And where to put it? Probably there. All right. The scenic route is so beautiful today. Saying the scenic route is beautiful today, unfortunately, we have no space for this refrigerator. So all I can do is make a note of its location, and since it's not yet in the scrap zone and not on the schedule, this area isn't on the schedule right now, good chance that I can come back Monday after dropping off the all of this at the scrap yard, that I can come back and pick up the refrigerator. So I'm gonna make a quick note of the address, and then we'll try to come back on Monday. Well, there's a dishwasher, some chairs, more chairs, a lot of stuff. Let's see if we can pull something out of here, but we may have to come back to this spot too. Several curtain rods, we can probably fit those on. We got a Keurig coffee maker. Remember when those were brand new, everybody wanted one, and they were so expensive. Now they're showing up in scrap. We have a brand new wireless mouse with batteries. A lot of car seats for kids here. Huh. These are either stainless or aluminum pot tops, but not sure which. I'll have to give them a check later. Wow. And one more piece or two here. That's aluminum. And couple more of the curtain rods. Yeah, that's aluminum. All right, we're done. Isn't that just lovely? It's 79 degrees outside right now. We're headed to the scrapyard, and I couldn't be happier. I got a huge scrap load on the back of the trailer, and the weather is just gorgeous. Things have started to cool down finally, so hopefully we'll be able to get things done and get them done faster. Today I need to get things done pretty quick. Got a few things going on. My daughter, the older one, has a dentist appointment today, so we got to cover that. Anyway, we're headed to the scrapyard. Hope you guys can join me. I'll see you then, Scrapper Sam. All right, we've made it to the scrapyard. We're going to start unloading. Someone dropped off a bunch of washer and dryer stuff. So over the weekend I was able to tear down some computers and some other stuff. So I got about 3 computers that I took apart. And that's always good. Well, that's not working out. You know what? I'm just going to drop this in. It's actually kind of cool. See if I can find where the lithium-ion battery is in that thing. I don't really want to put that in the scrapyard. Those things can be hazardous. What's that? What's that?
You want to sell a bike?
Sell a bike?
You want to sell a bike?
I'll sell them both.
You already sold them?
No, I can sell them.
Huh?
Sure. What do you want? How much?
Need some new parts. Yeah,
You be spending years trying to fix that one.
What do you think of? All good?
It's got a gasoline engine. I have a friend of mine that restores mopeds and scooters, and he wasn't even interested in it. But you know what? I've got I might have another couple of bicycles later on today, or maybe, well, more likely tomorrow, but they'll probably be in better shape than that. But this one's not too bad. I'll probably have to get this this thing. How much for both of them? No, that's way too much. 10 is the most I would take for a bike. Yeah. And you work hard for your money. Not as hard as I do, but you still work pretty hard for your money.
It's starting to cool off now and then.
Here we go.
Finding stuff.
Yeah.
Working on stuff.
Well, that's see this? This is a cast iron bathtub. This belongs in the cast iron. And this is stainless. That belongs over there with you guys. See this? You won't believe how heavy this bike is. This is meant for you know, to take the road on. Well, it seemed pretty heavy when I was picking it up. It's got a heavy duty chain. You can pedal it like a regular bike, or you can use the engine. The engine's got the heavy duty chain. But if you want it, you can have it.
You got a chain for the 20?
What's that?
You got a chain for the 20?
Yeah. You want me to bring you all my bikes?
No, I just want the motor.
Oh.
I want the motor. I'll rebuild it.
Okay. Well, it's all yours now. What about this one? You can have that one. That's included.
Got the GoPro going?
Yes, I do. But I'll edit this part out for you.
Oh, no. I have one too.
Oh, okay.
Are you coming over there?
Probably not today. All I've got is this this A-frame and a couple of odds and ends that still need to be torn down.
Yeah.
All right, so we got unloaded here at the Phoenix scrapyard. We made $32 on our tin scrap and the shred pile. That included our washer and dryer machines. We also sold that Whizzer bike, the bike with the motor in it, to the guy at the scrapyard. He got $20, paid me $20 for that, so $52 total for my scrap today. I still have a couple of things, the aluminum radiator from that A-frame that I picked up and a couple of pieces of stainless. So I'm gonna try and head back real quick and get the appliances and bicycles and stuff that I saw yesterday, or not yesterday, but day before yesterday, and try to get those loaded before someone else gets them. I will see you on the next Scrapper Sam episode. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos. And you know, you guys are the reason that I'm here. Thank you very much. Scrapper Sam.